Hello, this is Billy Core from homeofCarolinaCircleModel.com with part 2 of Putt-Putt Goes to the Moon. Okay, we're gonna get a soda pop here.
You don't look like the rest of us, little fella. You must be new in town.
My name's Putt-Putt. I'm from Cartown on the planet Earth.
Well, welcome to Moon City. So, Putt-Putt, would you like a soda pop?
Yes, please.
Enjoy.
This is the closest to color changing you can get in this Putt-Putt game. Like I said in a previous video, this is the only Putt-Putt game I know of where you can't change the color of Putt-Putt.
Enjoy.
This is the closest you can get to this game.
Wow!
Okay, let's head this way. Back. Now, first thing we're going to do is try to get a key for the rocket.
Look at those keys. I need a key to start the rocket ship.
Well, hello. I'm Governor Moonbeam. And who do we have here?
I'm Putt-Putt. I'm visiting from the planet Earth and I'm trying to get home.
Anything I can help you with?
How come you have so many keys hanging over there?
Well, I give them out to good deed doers.
Oh, I like doing good deeds.
Stop back anytime.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, here's how to do a good deed. We're going to go back the way we came when we first got here. Save this alien here
You've fallen in the moon.
who strangely resembles Elmo from Sesame Street. A mutated one, that is.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
You did your good deed for today.
I like doing good deeds.
Well, see you.
Let's head back to this place. We always have to check, make sure what shape of the key we want.
Well, hello. Anything I can help you with today?
I saved the alien from the moon goo.
Congratulations on your good deed, Putt-Putt. Here, you may choose a key.
I think we need to get the blue one.
I wonder which one I should choose. I guess I'll take this one.
Okay, now we got the key. Next thing we're going to get is the steering wheel. There's the mice from Kansas again. Apparently they stole that thing from the Jetsons.
Hi, Rover, what's up?
The steering wheel, that's what, but I can't reach it.
Hey, maybe we could work together. If you hold me up, maybe I could get it.
Good thinking, kid. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up you go.
Okay, well, what is this steering wheel what is the steering wheel doing up there in the first place? Okay, it looks safe going out in the moon, but enough space on it.
Good work, boys.
Okay, now we got the steering wheel.
Hooray!
We got the steering wheel.
And we all did it together.
I'm gonna go pack my things.
Bye.
News flash! In an unfortunate accident today, Putt-Putt was blasted out of the roof of the Cartown fireworks factory. It is suspected that he is somewhere in outer space.
Okay, how can you pick up radio stations all the way from Cartown on the moon, much less on the moon, 'cause there are no
Would you like
radio
to play
stations on the
alien
moon.
tag?
Sure.
I know
Try
of.
and get us.
Okay, we gotta do this to get the money. Whatever that thing's called. I tried doing this on a laptop one time. It was hard doing it on a touchpad, but thankfully this time I had a regular mouse with me on a desktop.
Game over. You won all 5 glowing moon crystals.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Enjoy your glowing moon crystals. Bye-bye.
Okay, now I gotta play it again to get 5 more, so we can buy the
Want to
rocket.
play alien tag again?
You bet.
Try and get us.
Once again, great music in this game, by the way.
Game over. You won all 5 glowing moon crystals.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Enjoy your glowing moon crystals. Bye-bye.
I have enough glowing moon crystals to buy the rocket ship.
Okay, now we're gonna go get the rocket fuel. Didn't mean to go there first, although we will need to go there in a little bit. Okay, click this, whatchamacallit.
Oh, it's a note. It says, if you need rocket fuel, you can find me at the Moon Bubble Apartments. The first floor, apartment C. Yours truly, Robbie Radar.
Okay, first floor, apartment C. Moon Bubble Apartments.
Hello, who are you? I'm Putt-Putt. I'm looking for Robbie Radar. Oh, he just left. Do you know where I could find him? I certainly do. He went to the 4th floor. Apartment C. Here's the directions.
Okay, all the way up to the 4th floor.
Hello. May I help you?
I'm looking for Robbie Radar and some rocket fuel.
I see. Sorry to say it, but he just left.
Do you know where I could
I
find
why
him?
it keeps on
I
going to random
do.
apartments.
He went to the 3rd floor, apartment C. Here, take these directions.
Hello, I'm Robbie Radar. Can I help you?
Hi, I'm Putt-Putt. I need some rocket fuel for the spaceship so I could get back to Earth.
Well, I just happen to have some rocket fuel. You're welcome to it if you'd like some.
I sure would,
Okay, this
Mr.
concludes
Radar.
part 2. We'll see you in part 3.
I'll meet you there.